Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Encanto espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking a lot from the spouts. And that was because the spouts were completely clogged. This is where these spouts, these ones over here, are removable. But inside over here, this display panel, there's an extra pair of spouts. The ones that you see right here. That is the spout of it. This will be the cover. We really, as you can see, there's a lot of coffee buildup on the entire thing. It was completely clogged with coffee buildup. This is when we open it up. This is from a different angle. This is how the actually spouts are seated right there on the machine. So these ones are the ones that usually are clogged with this machine. A lot of coffee gets built up in here, and you don't do the cleaning cycles with the tablets, then you're definitely going to have a lot of coffee buildup right in this place, and then you're going to see a little bit of flow getting restricted, and then just no flow at all, or just leaking all over the place. You see your machine, and if you have this kind of type of machine, you see it leaking through here, that means that your spouts are clogged just like this. So we clean them completely, as you can see right here. Assemble the entire thingy, clean it very, very well. There's no coffee buildup in there. Everything is really, really clean in here. We also cleaned, service the brew unit, and replaced the valve. This one that you see right here. As you can see, it was leaking before, and it was not passing water through the brew unit perfectly, and it was best to replace. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Like I said, now the spouts are completely clean. We also service the brew unit, and we also replace the gasket of the brew unit. This one you see right here. Re-lubricated, put it back together, make sure it was clean and free of coffee. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. No leaks coming out from anywhere. Looking great. It's in flow, really good color. Good shot of espresso. Now we're going to be using the hot water, and as you can see, the machine keeps hot water instantly. Good flow coming out of the spouts. Working great. And now we're going to test the steamer function of this machine. Now for this machine, in order to produce steam, it needs to heat up the thermal block that is located on this side. Once it gets up to temperature, the water pump that is located also on this side will start pulsing water from the water tank, going into the thermal block, going into a valve. There's a two-way valve over here that opens up. Once it does, the water pump starts pulsing with the water, and then it goes through a little channel that goes out of this one. Just like that. As you can see, excellent pressure of steam coming out of the machine. Really, really, really good steam. Working great. So there you have it, Saeco Encanto working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.